You might be missing out on a lot of views simply because you are not uploading your videos the right way. One thing you need to know about this YouTube street is that it's full of a lot of tricks and hacks. So you have to always be ready to hop on any trending one in order for your channel to benefit from it. I just found out about these tricks and I tried it on my previous videos and it really did so well. So that is why today I decided to bring it. For sure, you know that whatever worked for me, I'm going to bring it here to you guys. My goal for you is that by the end of today's video, you'll be able to master these few simple uploading tricks to really help boost your video visibility. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the step one, which is renaming your files. This particular one, most creators don't even know about it. Like, all you just need to do is immediately you're done editing your video, that's when you're done filming your content, that's after you edit it in CapCut, Adobe, or any app at all, you know, you're going to save it to your gallery before you transfer it here to YouTube. Yes, so when you save it to your gallery, all you need to do is to change the file name to the topic of the video. The name you're going to be changing that file to should be related to the topic you discussed in your content. Don't do otherwise, so that YouTube will not detect it. So I'm going to be dropping a screen record on the screen on how to easily do this. And one good thing is that you don't necessarily need your laptop. Yes, it can be done on your Android phone and it can be done on your iPhone. Right here on the screen, I'm doing it directly from my iPhone. So all you just need to do is to just add caption, and that is all. You click on done. That is all. So after that, go on to your thumbnail. Yes, you are doing this for your thumbnail and the video itself. Go on to your thumbnail and do the same thing. The essence of this whole thing is that you are simply letting the YouTube algorithm to know, oh, this is what this video is all about. When you just upload videos without the file name, you know, sometimes when our titles are misleading, it will be really difficult for the algorithm to really know what the video you've made is all about. So renaming your files can simply help the SEO and the algorithm to really understand what that video is all about and do the needful. This trick is working so fast, so you have to hop into it. Let's dive into the step two. The step two is all about optimizing your video's title and description. And I think this is where most of us have been getting it wrong. Even me, I am guilty of this. But lately, I've been trying to re-edit them on my YouTube studio. So for this particular part, I'm going to be dropping a tutorial on the screen for us right now, which, because I'm going to be making use of the desktop version of my YouTube studio to actually explain this point. So all you need to do is immediately after you upload your video, then you just go to your YouTube studio straight, that's the desktop version of it, and go through these editing processes. Once you've uploaded your video to YouTube Direct, next thing you need to do is to log into your YouTube studio, the desktop version. Just type studio.youtube.com and it's going to automatically bring you to this place. So for today's tutorial, I'm going to be making use of one of my old video. So let's click on how to go live on YouTube. So this is what I'll be making use of today. Let us just assume I actually made this post and I want to re-edit it, because that is what you are going to do. So the title I gave it while uploading it on YouTube is just how to go live on YouTube, the ultimate beginner's guide. So your title should be one of the most important things you need to consider while uploading your videos on YouTube to gain large visibility. So what I'm going to do is to go back to YouTube and search for the title, that is the video I want to upload, how to go live on YouTube. Let me see other creators, how they place their own, the keywords they use. That's everything. This thing is applicable to any content you are creating on YouTube. So I have been able to access through other creators. I've seen how their videos look like. I've seen the keywords they use and everything. So this particular thing I'm doing now, I'm supposed to have done it while preparing for the content. That is even before filming to save it directly to my phone. I'm supposed to have done this, but I just want to include it because of the tutorial, and I want each and every one of us to be able to understand this part and also apply it. So once you're done searching for it on YouTube, once you've assessed how other people uploaded it, the videos that went viral, how the titles were, then you are definitely going to make your own like that. You have to make sure that the title is brief and on point. So once you're done with that, you move on to the description part. This is where most of us are failing. Like even me, looking at my description, you will see that there is lots and lots of error. Don't worry, in today's tutorial, I'm really going to teach you a new way to write your description. You know, most time we make the mistake of writing, but description doesn't really need all that. You just have to be specific. Tell us what the video is all about, and you will introduce other videos to the people watching it so that they can be able to click on them and watch it. And by this way, you are simply advertising other of your videos. So right now I'm going to delete whatever description that I have here, and I'm going to take you to this creator's channel. I screenshotted it because of this tutorial, so I'm going to read out what we are going to be doing today. So what we are going to be doing is, for your description aspect, you're going to enter keyword SEO description, then call to action, put your playlist. If you have business channels or your other social media channels, you also display it too. So back to writing our description. How to go live on YouTube, beginner's guide. So immediately you're done writing it, the next thing you are going to do is call to action. That is introducing other of your videos. Before I forget, you can also add keyword. That's hashtags, live stream, SEO. It depending on the content you are creating. If it is about food, there are a lot of hashtags for food. If it is about hair, there are a lot of hashtags for that. So as soon as we are done, the next thing we are going to do is what I call to action. Simply introducing other of your videos on your description. Okay, the video I'm going to be introducing here is how I got to 1,000 subscribers in 3 days. So after that, I'm going to go back to my YouTube channel, copy the link of that particular video and bring it back to this place and paste it. I'll still add one more video before I will include my full playlist. So you're going to do the same thing. Go to your YouTube channel, copy the link of the video you want to refer to others, and also drop it. Now after that, we are now moving to the playlist. So when you go to your playlist, this is one of the reasons why you have to create playlists. So all you just need to do is copy the playlist you want, come back to the description box and paste it there. It will be visible to anyone that is watching your video. As soon as you're done with that, you go ahead to check on your thumbnail. If your thumbnail is not all that okay, all you just need to do is to click on the thumbnail box, and it's going to give you options on to choose another thumbnail, or even AI can recommend thumbnail for you. The third trick is creating a playlist. If you've not added the video to a playlist yet, all you just need to do is create a playlist, or if you have other playlists already, you can just add it. It's depending on the kind of content you're creating. So I just added mine to how to go live. That is, I created a new playlist totally because it's the first time I'm creating this kind of content. Then after that, we're going to move into the next step, which is you have to set your audience. This is very, very important. Over here, I have automatically placed my videos on not made for kids. If you don't really know how to set it permanent, you can indicate in the comment section and I'll be dropping a tutorial on that. So the next thing you need to do is to go through other stuffs here. So we are going into the tag aspect. Yes, you are definitely going to add tags. That is where this VIDIQ comes in place. I have talked about this over and over again. You can check other of my video for tutorial on how to make use of this VDIQ app. So all you just need to do is to bring down the topic of the content you just created, how to live stream on YouTube. So this VDIQ app is going to generate thumbnail idea for you. It's going to generate title, hook, tag, hashtags, and all that. Everything you need to know is going to bring it out. So what we're going to do, we don't really need all this. It's just the tag that made us come here. So we're just going to copy the tags and go and place it directly to the tag section for uploading our video. Adding tags is going to help the YouTube algorithm to also push the video. That is, it's also going to make the video go far. So after bringing the tags here, you'll notice that some of the tags are not really relevant. So please and please, all you need to do is to take it off. Like if you see here, there is OBS tutorial. I'm going to take it off. What else we don't need here? Live video tutorial, I need it. YouTube content creation, I don't need it. I'm going to take it off. So please, you have to get rid of all the tags that you know that they are not in correspondence with the video you are uploading. If not, it's going to give YouTube algorithm wrong impression, and this might make them recommend your video to people that are not even interested in it, or people that the video are not meant for. So after that, go ahead to language and caption certification, select English, then the title and descriptive language, make sure you select English. This one is depending on your country or the language you want to use for your content or for your video. Then after that, go ahead to recording dates, then allow embedding, please. Then for short remixing, select yes. So for this aspect category, if you're doing a tutorial like mine, you need to click on how to and style. Yes, then if it is education, select education. If it is traveling, vlogging, everything is there. So you just need to calm down and go through all this setting. I bet you once you are able to do this before uploading your video, there is no how that video is definitely going to go viral. So all you need to do after you're done with all the settings, please click on save. Make sure you save it. So let me take you through on how to create end screens and card. This one also helps to boost your video visibility. That is thereby, if someone is done watching a particular video on your channel, when you create end screen, it's going to easily allow the person to click on other of your videos and watch them. So when you click on elements, you'll be required to either select a video by yourself, or you allow YouTube choose a particular video, or you allow YouTube choose your viral video. So I'm going to be clicking on one of the video here which I want my viewers to watch immediately they are done watching this particular video. So once you select it, all you just need to do is, before you leave this page, make sure you click on save. So after clicking on save, you go to the end screen part. See, if you don't really understand this part, you can comment it in the comment section, and I'm going to be giving a full tutorial on how to create your end screens and card, because it's a different topic on its own that really need attention. So once we are done with that, we go to the end card aspect. Also, you're going to be requested to select a video. Unlike the end screen, which always appear at the end of your video, cards appears at the beginning of your video or even the middle. It's left for you. You can either decide to choose anywhere you want it to be. And it's very, very good, because if you are making a tutorial and you want to make a reference to a video, this card is actually a very good idea. Once you're done with that, don't forget to save before you exit the page, because if you forget to exit the page just like that, it's going to take you back to square one. That is, you're definitely going to start all over again. So make sure that your video is set on public and not private or listed. Now let's go back to my main YouTube channel to see how the video we just edited now look like. Let's assume someone comes to your page, or someone come across your video and decide to click on more. This is how the video is going to appear. Is it not okay? Like, is it not beautiful? So I'm urging each and every one of us today, let's all start implementing it. And if you click on any of the video link you drop there, it's going to automatically bring you to the next video. I hope this whole video and tutorial was helpful. If so, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more of this kind of videos.